Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here we are on the silver chart or xagusd chart, and as I told you in my previous analysis, we had this trend line for the price. I told you that with the break of this to the downside, we can have a sell position, set our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, which the price broke it somewhere here. So I did enter a sell position here with a stop loss above the candle, and it of course gives us our risk to reward too somewhere here. But we should not exit our position if this candle can close like this after something like 6 hours and 33 minutes. You know why? Because we have this level of support for the price which is getting broken right now to the downside, and the candle is a really strong candle that showing that the sellers are actually taking control of the market. So it is illogical to exit our sell position here if this candle can close like this. But if it makes some shadows and the body of the candle can't close below this support, instead the body of the candle close above the support, then we can actually exit our sell position here and look for some buy scenarios. When this candle can't close its body below this support, instead it makes a shadow to the upside, it is showing that the buyers are actually coming in on this support, okay, on this level of support. On lower time frames like 4-hour time frame, in that time we can have a some buy positions, because these candles are not closed yet. This 4-hour time frames candle gonna close after something like 2 hours and 30 minutes, okay. It will not actually be like this. It can be, the body can be lower and can be upper, okay. And we can have some shadows from downside showing that the price is getting rejected from this level of support. But right now we don't have any actually shadows from downside. All is complete body and showing that the buyers are actually completely taken the control of silver market. Let's check 1-hour time frame to see what we have. We have some dodgy candles or pin bar candles which are not closed yet, but these are not important imagine comparing this candle to this one here, okay. This candle is an alert for those who wanna take buy positions here, okay. So it is actually illogical to enter buy position somewhere here after you see these candles, full body candles without any shadows from downside. So right now let's check 15-minute time frame to see what we have there too. We don't have anything special, come on, these are just some small corrections, then the market can continue falling, okay. On 5-minute time frame and 1-minute time frame, you can look for some sell positions with like this one. You can wait for this to be broken to the downside on 5-minute time frame, then you can enter a sell position. Or on 1-minute time frame, let me recorrect my trend line like this one. You can wait for this one to be broken to the downside, or you can see we have a resistance here. The price made a candle like this. Right now you can risk somewhere here and enter sell position with a stop loss somewhere above that and look for your reward. But for more safety, you can wait for this trend line to be broken to the downside, then you can actually enter sell position. Just forget about buy positions here. It is really dangerous to enter buy positions for for big rewards, okay. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of silver or xagusd. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of silver or xagusd in the upcoming days, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching, bye bye.